In this video, we will be finding the percent of a number. So we have 3 examples here. And first, we will use what we know about percents and number sense in order to solve these problems. So when we find 10%, we found out that with 10%, you move the decimal point 1 place to the left. So if I move this 1 place to the left, 10% will be equal to $9.60. So if I wanted to find 20%, I can take this $9.60 and multiply it by 2 in order to double it. 6 times 2 is 12, 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Since there's 2 decimal places to the right, the decimal point, I will have 2 places to the right. So in order to get 20%, I double 10% or multiply it times 2 to find out that 20% of $96 is $19.20. Let's take a look at example number 2. Looking at example number 2, I want to find 15% of 32. Just like the last problem, I like to start with finding out what 10% of a number is. If I find out what 10% of a number is, I can multiply by 2, like how I did in this example, to double it. Or in this case, I am going to take my 10% and cut it in half. So let's start with 10%. If I take my decimal point and move it 1 place to the left, that will be $3.20, and that's 10%. Now, in order to get 5%, if I cut 10% in half to get 5%, I can cut $3.20 in half, and I will actually get $1.60. Okay, and if you didn't know that, you can just do division. You can divide it, put the decimal point there. 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract, I'm left with 1. Bring down to 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times. Line the place values up, which equals to 12. I subtract. I need to finish it off. I can't stop right there. 2 divided to 0 is simply 0. Subtract, and I'm left with 0. So that's how we got $1.60. So in order to find 15%, I just add up the values that I calculated from 10% and 5, and I am able to identify that 15% of $32 is $4.80. Last example. In this example, I want to find 5% of $140. Again, I do want to start with 10% of my numbers because it's easy for me to work with. I just simply move a decimal point over, the decimal point over 1 place to the left, and that would be $14. Now, I can go anywhere from this. I can go up to 20%, 30%, 40% by multiplying this number, or I can go down. So since I want to get 5%, just like we did in the last example, and in this case, once I find out that half of 10 is $5, I just took half of $14 and got $7. So 5% of $140 is simply $7. In this video, we explored percent of a number.